こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today grammar video number 124, but at the same time this is also vocabulary video, and I'm gonna talk about 道案内, and this is the first part. This word 道案内, it means the guidance of the street, because 道 it means street. 案内します to guide someone to some place. So 道案内 the guidance how to get someplace. This video is going to be very useful because you can ask how to get to the station, for example, or you can explain how to get there. As this is very useful for you, so I will explain you very in detail. So today, this first part, I'm going to focus only in the very useful vocabularies. Anyway, after explaining you all the vocabularies, there will be an easy quiz. There's always a part of the video in the end. I only speak in Japanese, so you can practice your listening. The first word with this kanji, this is 道. It means a street, and sometimes it can mean a path. And this kanji and kunyomi is 道, but onyomi is do. For example, 道路. This is road. Now look at this. The same kanji, 道, but here also we pronounce do. And the first kanji, this is kuruma. You know, kuruma is car. So, 車道, we pronounce in onyomi, 車道. 車道, this means driveway or carriageway, roadway. Now this one, 歩道, we pronounce this the same do. And this kanji, here we pronounce ほ in onyomi, but actually this is 歩く, 歩きます. It means to walk, 歩きます. So the street to walk, right? So 歩道, this is in British English, pavement. In American English, sidewalk. 横断歩道, crosswalk, or zebra crossing. 横断歩道. Because 歩道, this is just as the same as before, 歩道. And the verb 横断する, 横断します, it means to cross. So this is the crossing, the crosswalk or the zebra crossing. The next word, 歩道橋. Again, this 歩道, here the same. But I add 橋 here. But this kanji we can pronounce in kunyomi 橋. 橋, it means bridge. So 歩道橋, it means pedestrian overpass bridge. 歩行者, pedestrian or a walker. Because 歩, it comes from to walk. The same 歩. 歩行者. こ this kanji, it is 行きます to go. So it means to go walking. 歩行者. And this kanji 者, it means person. For example, 医者, this is doctor, or ninja. So many words with 者, it means person. So person who walks on foot, or the person who goes walking. So 歩行者, pedestrian, or a walker. 大通り, 大通り, this is avenue, because お this is big, and 通り only 通り with a 点々, it means also the street. So 大通り, this is avenue or main street. The next word, the traffic light signal, 信号. And look at these kanjis. 信, it comes from the verb 信じます. 信じます, it means to believe. And go, this can be signal. So the signal that you can believe. Yeah, this is 信号, the traffic lights. The next word, intersection, 交差点. Look at these kanjis. This 点, it means the point or the dot. And 交差, this is the verb 交差します. It means also to cross. So 交差点, this is the place, just this point that the cross that you can cross. So 交差点, this is junction or intersection. And the verb 交差します to cross, this is like this. These are two intersecting lines. So one line and the other line like this. This is 交差します because before I told you to cross 交差します to cross, but also 横断します to cross, but there's a difference. So when we say 交差点, it means two roads that intersect this point. This is 交差点. In the other verb to say cross, 横断します but this is different. From one side to other side, I cross, like I cross the street. So in this case, to travel so, I go across. But 交差します is to intersect. So this, even if we say to cross, this is the difference. In Japan, well, actually in Tokyo, there's a place, very famous place called Shibuya. This town's name is Shibuya. In Shibuya, there's a very famous intersection. In this section, we say スクランブル交差点. I think you know this スクランブル交差点 because in many animes or in the films, you can see this スクランブル交差点. Very useful vocabulary to know when you wanna explain the street, how to go someplace. 角, this is corner. 角. But this kanji, we can also pronounce 角. When we pronounce 角, it means animal horns or antler. Also, we can pronounce 角. 角. It means angle. For example, triangle, we say 三角. And also the 直角, it means the right angle. When we want to say the first corner, the second corner, the third corner, we say 一つ目、二つ目、三つ目, like this. And to say the first corner, we don't say 角、一つ目, not like this. But we say at first this one, 一つ目, and the particle の. 一つ目の角, the first corner, the second corner. 二つ目の角, the third. 三つ目の角, the third corner. The verb to turn or to go around, we say 曲がります. 曲がります. This is group 1. So the dictionary form 曲がる and knife form 曲がらない. Te form and ta form 曲がって曲がった. In this verb to turn, we can also in this case this is transitive verb. So we need to use some, for example, some corner or some street を曲がります with を with the object, okay, the complement. But this verb 曲がります can be also intransitive verb. But in this lesson, I'm not going to talk about intransitive. Only in this case, transitive verb 曲がります。角を曲がります。turn the corner. Direction 右 the right 右 left 左 左 Please turn right at the first corner. 一つ目の角一つ目の角を右へを右に曲がってください。一つ目の角を右に曲がってください。一つ目の角を右へ曲がってください。At the end, for example, at the end of this road, at the end of the corridor, we say 突き当たり、突き当たり。The dead end or the blind end, we say 行き止まり、行き止まり。Because 行きます to go, but 止まります to stop, because I can't go on. This is the dead end, 行き止まり。Another verb to say to cross, 渡ります、渡ります。The meaning of this to cross is from this side to other side. I go across. For example, 川を渡ります。I cross over the river. And 渡ります with 山水 this means something with like water. So you can think 川 river 川を渡ります。This is group 1. So the dictionary form 渡る and ない form 渡らない。手 form and 他 form 渡って渡った。For example, I cross the street. 道を渡ります。道を渡ります。Cross over the bridge. 橋 This is the bridge. 橋を渡ります。When we say bridge, the intonation is very important. 橋。You must go up. 橋。Just think, when you go to the bridge, you must go up a little bit, right? So 橋 go up, okay? 橋. But 箸 there's other word. 箸 this is chopsticks. タンタン箸. But I recommend you to use o with respect. お箸. Then there will be no one is gonna get confused. お箸. But 箸 without o go up the bridge. And お箸 chopsticks, when you eat something, the food goes down. お箸 goes down. Today, you learned many vocabularies about 道案内, this guidance. But this is the first part of the video about 道案内. I'm gonna continue with more expressions and using also と. This is the conditional forms. Now a quiz time with only 3 questions. This is translations into Japanese. 1番目 Please turn right at the second corner. 2番目 When you cross the street, please make sure to cross at the crosswalk or at the zebra crossing. Actually, this second question was quite difficult because do you remember I explained you how to use toki when you cross the street. This toki, do you remember this? We studied in some videos before. And also, please make sure, please do it this like 100%. Do you remember this adverb? 3番目、最後です。There are lots of traffic lights in this avenue. Actually, this number 3, there are 2 possibilities to say. The first possibility using 多い. The second possibility using たくさん. But anyway, then grammatically, these are different. Grammatically, these 2 are right. So it's okay if you say one way or the other. But if you can think how to say these 2 forms. I hope you could learn these vocabularies because this is the first part and this is going to be the base to understand the second part. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it. And also if you can share my videos with your friends, that will be a great help for me. いかがでしたか？今日は道案内についての一番初めのビデオです。でもまだ続きがありますよ。今日はいろいろな語彙を勉強しました。上手な道案内ができるととても便利だと思います。誰かに道を聞かれた時にいくら分かっていてもうまく説明ができなかったら困りますよね。それにあなた自身が道が分からなくて困った時に他の人にどうやって聞くのか、そして聞いた時にその言っていることが分かるようになることはとても大切だと思います。ですから次のビデオも見逃さないで必ず見に来てください。このように私のチャンネルでは皆さんが少しずつ日本語が分かっていくようにゆっくり説明していっています。ですから日本語を練習したい方はぜひ私のチャンネルにチャンネル登録なさってくださいね。次のビデオでお会いできるのをとても楽しみにしています。絶対に来てね。